To detox effectively, there is no need to invest in expensive products or resort to drastic measures, which may leave you feeling tired and sluggish. Making healthy choice when it comes to your diet and lifestyle can really help to detox the body and leave you feeling revitalized and full of energy. Here are the simplest and natural methods how to detox your body. Start with water. Drink approximately 8 to 12 glasses of water every day. This will help to remove the toxins out of your body in the form of pee and sweat. Eat plenty of fiber, including brown rice and organically grown fresh fruits and vegetables. Your liver and kidneys naturally remove toxins and other harmful substances in the body. Adding fruits and vegetables to your diet promotes the removal of these toxins as well. The fruits and vegetables you enjoy in your balanced diet offer particular benefits that promote your body natural cleansing mechanisms. The high fiber in many fruits and vegetables promotes healthy colon function by binding to toxins in the colon and preventing them from being absorbed. Replace the morning coffee with green tea. Green tea offers important antioxidants that our body needs in the most natural form. It offers a slight caffeine boost that can help to get you jump-started in the morning, just as coffee does. So if you choose to replace your morning cup of coffee with a cup of green tea, you still get a caffeine boost and some actual health benefits as well. Produce your own antioxidants. Increase your consumption of garlic and eggs, as they are rich in sulfuric compounds. These compounds will help your body to produce its own antioxidant. They will help to flush out toxins, including chemicals and heavy metals. Getting regular exercise is an important step to staying healthy and strong. Whether you enjoy light exercise like yoga or walking, or like to get your heart pumping by running or dancing, build an exercise routine that you are excited about to make sure you keep it consistent. Breathe deeply. Conscious deep breathing can help reset your nervous system, leading you to feel calmer and to get some of that nervous or anxious energy out of your body. Inhale slowly through your nose and hold the breath for 7 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat 5 times. Get more sleep. Sleep is an important part of detoxification. When we don't sleep enough, our immune systems don't work as well as they should. And this leaves us open to health problems and mood issues. Keep these easy tips in mind, and your mind and body will be loving all day long.